Hello student, good morning. How are you? Today I am going to start our class 9 exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Write the answer of each of the following question. First question: What is the name of the horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Means the name of the horizontal line. Horizontal line means this line. This line is this is x and this is x dash. Means x axis. So the name of the horizontal line is called x axis, and this is the y axis, and this is the vertical line. This is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line. Vertical line is called y axis. Means the name of the horizontal line is called y axis. Horizontal line is called x axis, and the name of the vertical line is called y axis. And question number second: What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Means each part is called quadrant. There are four quadrants. This is x axis, and this is the y axis, and this is the origin, and this is the first quadrant, and this is the second, and this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth. Means each part is called quadrant. So second quadrant. And question number third: Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where these two lines intersect means x axis and y axis intersect at the point O, and this is called origin. Origin, and the point of origin is 0, 0. The point of origin is 0, 0. The point of origin 0, 0. Next, question number second. Question number second: This is the vertical line, means y axis, and this is the horizontal line, means x axis, and this is the origin. 1, 2, 6, and this is also positive. And this is negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is also negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. -5 and 6. some figure are given. And this is point B, and this is point B, and this is point M, minus 5. Minus 5 and 5. And this is point E, and this is point C, and 2 and minus 4. This is point G, M, minus 3, and minus 5. Minus 3, this is point H. Okay, this is point L, 5. This is point L. And second, the question number first. Question number first. The coordinate of point B. The coordinate of point B means the coordinate of point B. The coordinate of point B means the x coordinate and the y coordinate. The x coordinate means minus 5. X coordinate means minus 5, and y coordinate means 2. Y coordinate means 2. So this is the point of B. Point B. Coordinate of point B equal to minus 5 to minus 5 means minus 5. Minus 5 means the distance from the y-axis. The distance minus 5. Minus 5 means the distance from the y-axis. Y-axis. This is the distance from the y-axis. And 2 means the distance from the x-axis. X-axis means 2. The distance from the x-axis. And the x coordinate is minus 5 and the y coordinate is the coordinate of point B is minus 5 and 2. The coordinate of point B minus 5 and 2. And question number second. The coordinate of point C. Of the coordinate of point C, C is this point. The x coordinate is the x coordinate is 0 to 5 means 5, and y coordinate means minus 5. So x coordinate means 5 and y coordinate means minus 5. This is the y coordinate and this is the x coordinate. The coordinate of this point is 5 and minus 5. The coordinate of point C are 5 and minus 5. And question number 3. The point identified by the coordinate minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5 means the x coordinate is minus 3 and the y coordinate is minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5 means third coordinate. This is the third coordinate. So minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 means x axis distance minus 3, y axis distance minus 5. Means the x coordinate minus 3, y coordinate minus 5. And this is the point C. This is the point E. Minus 3 and minus 5. So the coordinate of minus 3 and minus 5, the point E. E is the point. E is the point identified by the coordinate -3 and -5. And question number 4. The point identified the coordinate by the coordinate 2 and -4. 2 and -4. Plus minus means fourth coordinate. And 2 and -4. The x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -4. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -4. Then point is G and it 2 and -4. So G is the point identified by the coordinate -2 and -4. Question number 5. The etc of the point D. Point D means x-axis. The x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 2. Question number 5. Of the point D is 6. And question number 6. The ordinate of the point H. Ordinate means y-axis. The ordinate of the point H. Ordinate of the point H. H means where is H? H. This is the point H. Means x-axis distance -5 and y-axis distance -3. So ordinate of this point is -3. Ordinate of the point H is -3. And question number 7. The coordinate of the point L. The coordinate of the point L. L means x-axis. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 5. Means 0, 5.